friends, welcome back to by Clover and Crown. This is the March 2021 bargain bead box unbagging. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what the colorway is this month. I haven't seen anything yet about what the colorway is, so I'm really excited to just open it up. All right, so here we go. Last month had a really pretty what was it? Spring rain. And actually, I think I have the leftovers here because I didn't do a lot of beading over this month. But this is what I had left from the last month. Really pretty stuff together. I did do a challenge with Angela from Pretty Pirates Jewelry. And hopefully I'll be doing another challenge with this one with another jewelry artist. So let's find out what we're working with this month. All right. So it always comes with like a shipment list, so you can see what items you have. So let's see. Ooh, my favorite color, I think. It's green. Like greens and teals are some of my favorite colors. So how exciting. I love the color green. And it looks, the bag is Kelly green, so we'll see if the stuff inside is. So what is the theme is Celtic inspired. So I'll probably use the word interchangeably. You can say Celtic or Celtic, I think. So let's see. Oh, yay. I'm super excited. I love green. So this is one of my favorite colors, and yet I don't actually have a ton of plain green beads. I do, but as far as shades go, I have the most, because if you include teals and bluish greens, I have the most green beads in that way. But pure green, I don't have a ton. But actually milk glass like jadeite is one of my favorite colors too. All right, so let me go ahead and flip this over and start going through the baggies. So first we've got number one. Let's see here. Here's number one. Number one. 18 by 13 millimeter green aventurine teardrop pendants. I hope we have a lot of aventurine because I love aventurine. Pretty. And they're really smooth. Those are gorgeous. They have a lot of different colors in them. Nice. Let's see what's next. Number two. 3-petal bead caps. This says, do I have the right one? Yeah. Oh, there's 20 of them. It just, they were all of mine were stacked at first. So I'm not going to open this baggie up yet, but we'll leave that there. Number three. These are nice. Celtic knot flat round charms. You can't have green without expecting charms. Yeah, so they're double-sided, and they have that kind of silver pewter kind of coloring to them. So it looks like we have a lot of like silver and black pewter looking items. What's next? Number four, knotwork charms. Ooh, these are cool too. So these are charms slash links. And the good thing is a lot of this stuff is either lead-free, nickel-free, or cadmium-free. Usually they're pretty good quality, so they're sturdy. These are cute. So you get two of these, and the way they are, you could definitely use these to be like chandelier findings. So those are very cool. The next thing is a 14-inch strand of 6 millimeter green agate round beads. So they're permanently dyed and heat treated. Let's see. There they are. These are probably one of my favorite colors. Oh, they're really pretty. While they are definitely like a Kelly green, they do have a little bit of a like milky look to them. And you can kind of see through, and they're agate, so they have like lines throughout them, but subtle. Really pretty. That's a pretty, pretty strand. Oops. Let's go ahead and move some of that down. Didn't realize I was keeping things out of frame. I usually back up a little bit more than that, I think. There we go. All right. Number 6. I think I can find them just by look. All right. These are giant. There are 10 of them, and they're 13.5 millimeter crystal disco faceted round beads in a blue-green. These would look really good with the drops from last time. Actually, these 2 months going together would be so pretty. I think I'll definitely dip in to last month's when I'm creating this month because it goes well together. All right, next is number 7. 1 meter of 5 by 3.5 millimeter textured steel jewelry chain. Yay. I always like their chain. They give you a lot, and it's not the same shape each time. Like, this has like textured look to it. So last time I think it was more like a smooth finish. This has like that textured look to it. Nice. I'm surprised too. I like that about Bargain Bead Box because I'm surprised that they wouldn't put gold with green. But that's kind of what makes all of this kind of fun. Number 8. These are swirled rope spacer beads. You get 50 of them. I actually have something similar in my stash, but they're just so helpful to space things out. And then we have number 9, which, oh, they're not what I thought they were. Let's see. Number 9, 2 pieces of Celtic knot donuts with loops. So again, these would make great chandelier findings. Also necklace pendants. You could put them together to be one unit. Also, they would look really good strung together. Like for a double-sided pendant for like a necklace. Or you could use them as chandelier findings. What's next? Number 10 is a 16-inch strand of crystal rondelle beads in a teal green champagne. So we had some teal green last time too. So like I said, this would actually go really well. And actually, the metals from last time would go well with this stuff too. So you can mix and match. And I think I might do that this time. Gorgeous shimmer. Look at those. I love faceted beads. It's just like in one little teeny tiny area, you get so much dimension and color. All right, so let's see, will they fit? Yep. All right. We're on number 11. 5-piece strand, approximately 12 millimeter, hand-carved green aventurine leaf beads. Oh, these are pretty. And if you are into clay jewelry, Susan from Turtle Soup Beads makes these by hand, something very similar, and she makes them opaque like this, but these feel so nice because they're real stones. But if you like this shape and color, it reminds me very much of the faux ones that she makes. Very pretty. Leaf beads just go really well in all work. All right, what's next? Number 12, 8 pieces, Dara knot, I think you say Dara knot drops or links. Number 12. These, I think? Yes. How many are there? 8 pieces. That's a pretty good number of little charms. Oh, you can do a lot. See, you can do a lot with these because you could make different necklaces, earrings. You could make a bracelet with only these on there. 8's a pretty good number of things like these little charms. Also, they would look cool with a patina on them, using like vintage patinas, which I might try some of that, or try a what is it, Inca Gold on here in any color. Inca Gold is the brand, so it comes in lots of colors. All right, number 13 is a 9-piece strand of 10 millimeter green aventurine round beads. Here they are. Very pretty. So we did get quite a few pieces of aventurine so far. Ooh. They look and feel nice. This is definitely hitting me in the sweet spot because there's a lot of jade, like jadeite color beads, because aventurine looks like that. And I collect those pieces. So this is a good bag for me. I don't think I've ever had a bad bag. I pretty much have liked them all. Number 14, 4 sets of ornate toggle clasps. Last month I had some bad luck with my toggles, so hopefully this month they'll work a little better for me. But last month I actually used them to make some earrings. If you want to see them, it would be the challenge video for last month, the bargain bead box maker mashup video. But these are really pretty. These look like little pretty door handles. Very ornate and beautiful. I like these toggles. This would be one of those things that I'm going to have to be careful not to hoard, because I already can tell you right now I like them and I want to hold on to them. But I've gotten way better about making instead of storing. I say that in a room full of crafts. All right. Number 15 is approximately 30 by 20 millimeter green aventurine teardrop focal. That's number 15. So it's just a single piece. It does have a hole up here. It is flat. Might be too big for me for a ring, but it's very pretty. So probably a necklace pendant. I'll be interested to see if I use this up and what exactly I do with it. It's very pretty. I'm not sure how to use this yet. So this one's the most challenging piece because there's only one, and I'm gonna have to try not to mess it up. It does go very well with these. These are rounded though. This one is like a flat back. All right, we're on number 16. So we have about 4 items left. 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter faceted English cut candy jade beads. And jade is in quotes, so it's just, they're dyed beads. They are very pretty. Here they are. These would look really good with white beads, I feel like. So these ones are dyed. Very pretty though. They do look natural. There's a lot of variation with them. So they definitely look natural and pretty. What's next? Number 17. These are what I thought I was seeing when I read the word donut earlier, and these are coin beads. 2 pieces, 24 to 27 millimeter half matte green agate coin beads. And these 2 are permanently dyed and heat treated. Oh my goodness. I've never seen anything like these. They look like they've got a branch in them. That's awesome. I'm actually teaching about rainforest right now, and they have a very rainforest type feel to them. They have like a mat on the outside, and then the inside has this like, how could I describe this? In person, it kind of looks like if you were looking, like when you're in an aquarium and you like look into a tank, but instead it's like a green. Very cool. These are neat. These are so cool. All right, so half matte green agate coin beads. Tons of dimension in these. These are so cool. Those are awesome. And like one of mine is really thick and one is thin. That's cool. These are going to make two really cool pendants, I think. I do think they're too big to be a ring. I think I'm wanting like a larger ring, but all the stuff so far has been too big for me. But really neat pieces. All right, number 18. We have two things left. Is a 7-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in metallic green iris. So I like metallic green iris. I've had this color and something else before. I think in rondelles that were just smaller. It almost has like a gray blue. I don't know. It has a lot of colors going on with it. But you can kind of see it compared to everything else. It has great color. And actually it plays so well with this like silver and pewter of the links and things. All right. So the last thing is two pieces of 29.5mm triquetra pendants. Oh yes, these things are ready to go. They even have a jump ring on them already. So I probably won't leave them just this way. I'm sure I'll do something with them, but I'm not sure what. Or maybe I will. But these pendants are really nice. They're about 29.5, it says. So lots of big pendants, lots of circles and knots. So I think tic-tac-toe is called knots and crosses across the pond, but I could be wrong on that. All right, so again, the theme this time is Celtic inspirations. So when you do sign up for Bargain Bead Box, you also get your own coupon code if you want to order more. I will definitely be making some things with these pieces. So if you want to watch me get my box ready and just relax and drink some tea or something, then feel free to stick around. If not, thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe so that if you want to watch what I make with all this awesome stuff, you can catch that when it comes out. All right, thanks guys. Oh.